Hey everybody, it's Luke from Galaxy Tech Review, and today I've got a product from nPlus. This is their dual coil fast wireless charging stand. Supports Qualcomm Quick Charge 2.0 and 3.0 standard. You can pick it up on Amazon at the time of this review for $29.99. Of course, I'll have that link in the description below where you guys can check it out. So let's dig into this. Sit back, relax, and I'll be right back. Let's take a look at some of the product specifications on here. Of course, your input is going to be 5 volts at 2 amps for regular wireless charging and 9 volts at 1.8 amps for that fast wireless charging. A lot of the newer Samsung phones support fast wireless charging, among others. Frequency is going to be 110 to 250 kilohertz. The charging distance is 4 to 10 millimeters, so this should be pretty case friendly. You do have an indicator light on there that's a blue and green indicator light that we'll get into, and the dimensions are 73 by 78 by 115 millimeters. It weighs 130 grams. Now the AC adapter input is going to be 100 to 240 volts at 50 to 60 hertz, and that pretty much covers our product specs. Okay, so once you get everything outside of the box, this is what you're going to get. You're going to get a user manual here, and it's a quick fold out that lists the specifications that we've already gone over. It is written in English, and it's pretty well laid out there. Shows you how to either plug it in through the supplied adapter, which is very interesting that they do supply a Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 enabled adapter, which is very, very nice. A lot of these that you will buy for, $20 to $30 do not give you the Quick Charge adapter. You have to supply your own from your phone. So at this point, you'll be able to use this adapter and keep the one on your phone for another space in the house or at work or something like that. So hold on to the user manual. You may find a bit of information in there that I might not cover, but I doubt it. So another thing that we have here is we have the charging cable, which is a USB to micro USB. It's a nice long flat ribbon style cable, which I really like because they don't get tangled up. So I really appreciate the flat ribbon style cable here to plug into the unit. And again, they supply you with a Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 adapter, so you don't really need anything else. Now you can normally put this into any USB port on your PC or your laptop as well, but there's no point because you already have the adapter there. You can see some grilling here on the back of the stand. It has a nice matte black rubberized finish on it, and that's for cooling and things like that to make sure that everything stays cool while it's charging, and I didn't notice any heating issues during my testing. It's a fixed angle at about 45 degrees there. You're going to have that LED on the front, which is a blue and or green LED depending on whether you're charging or not. Your micro USB connect in the back, 4 feet on the bottom here that make it pretty stable on your desktop. It's an overall plastic construction, but it does a pretty good job. Okay, so once you have everything hooked up, as I do here, the LED will come on briefly when you first hook it up, and then it will go out until you put something on the cradle itself. Now I have a Note 8 here with a Spigen Tough Armor case, and I usually use a case of this type to test whether this is case friendly or not. So let's try portrait mode here real quickly. You're going to see that the green light comes on to let me know that I am charging. And if I pull the shade down here, you guys are going to be able to see that we are in fact fast wireless charging with that QC 3.0 adapter that they included. So that's again an excellent bonus that you don't see a lot of times with charging cradles. So let's test the landscape portion, and this is great as well. With the dual coils, it doesn't have any problem picking up things in landscape, so you can watch a movie, watch YouTube or something like that, and still be fast wirelessly charging. As we look again at the pull down, you can see that I'm fast wireless charging even in landscape mode as well. So the coils are doing a great job. Now the grill on the coils or over the coils helps with not having your phone overheat. And again, in my testing, I didn't have any problems with overheating. I think nPlus did a really solid job here. If you're looking for a fast wireless charging stand that will actually include the Qualcomm adapter to to enable that so you don't have to use your phone's adapter, I think this nPlus stand does a great job at a solid price. So there you go. That's my review of the nPlus dual coil fast wireless charging stand. The things that I like about this stand, or the thing that I like the most, is that they supply a Qualcomm 3.0 enabled AC adapter, so you don't have to use your phone's AC adapter, and you can leave that at work or take this one to work or put them in two different places. I think that's really important. A lot of the ones that I've reviewed in the past, they don't give you an adapter with it. They just give you the cable and they say supply your own adapter and off you go. So for $29.99, I think this is a great deal, especially because it does come with the adapter. Overall, no heating issues, fast wireless charging through a case. There's really a lot of pluses to the nPlus wireless charging stand. So if you're in the market for a fast wireless charging stand, then you should put the nPlus on your to check out list. This was Luke from Galaxy Tech Review. If you have any questions or comments about this charging stand, please leave them in the comment section below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Remember to like, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so, because that always helps me out, and I'll check you guys out on the next video.
Oh, sunny day.